walk you through the recipe. Hello everyone, welcome back to BakewithHelen. Granulated sugar, butter, room temperature butter, eggs, milk, baking powder, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, and salt. Yes. In a large bowl, add butter. And double the recipe. Cream together. Add sugar. Next, we are going to add our egg. Add egg one at a time. Next egg. There are different ways to make or cream your batter, or to make your cake batter. It's the same thing. Waffle is actually like cake, depending on which one. Right. Cream together until looking pale, looking fluffy, light and fluffy. We're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Let's add them. I just have salt. Add a bit of salt. Alright, cover up. This bowl is quite big, yeah? Doesn't cover entirely. Just cover it like so for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, so that we rest, everything will melt together. Then we'll come and bake them. Alrighty. So see you later at the baking table. I can also use butter, so I'm going to just like that. If you do this, they are going to come out clean. Scoop in. Using ice cream scoop, you can also pipe them. Piping, you can pipe them. But with ice cream scoop, you are kind of like precise. Not precise, but give and take. Okay, cover and bake. Bake until it shows green. Now it's showing red, yeah? Showing red and green. When it's ready, normally this red will turn off and only this green will be showing. That's how you know they are ready. Or you just look out for the doneness. Look out for the color. Golden brown, but normally it's 2 minutes, but yeah. It can be different for your machine. Depending on machine to machine, the time 2 minutes will be too small or will be too much. So you have to keep an eye on them. Keep an eye. Don't go too far away while making your waffles. So let's allow them to bake. I think this one looks better, right? Yeah, it's the same process. You just repeat the same process for all. And here you have your waffles. Glaze them. Add some ice cream, berries, whatever, chocolate. Speaking of chocolate, I think we are going to do chocolate one next time. All right. Final results.